Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode, we are flying the healthy way. And guess what we're going to be making? We are making this delicious smoothie at the comfort of our home with ingredients you can just find at the comfort of our home. And guys, we never used any honey or sugar, and this smoothie is very, very sweet. It's a banana smoothie. Okay, let's make this together, guys. So guys, these bananas will be the major ingredient in this recipe. And if you really love a smoothie that you don't really need sugar, because I'm sure we all love trying out healthy recipes, this is the recipe for you. Okay, so my bananas are already clean, and for this recipe you really need lots and lots of the bananas. And good thing we have many bananas. And please, even if you don't wash your bananas on a daily, for this smoothie kindly wash the bananas, because you see we are touching the peelings, and you see with our own hands, so that is the importance of washing. So yeah, let's meet after we are done with this whole batch. So here we have our peelings, and if you have goats, this is good goat food. And then now let's start chopping. Here we have 1 cup of Greek yogurt, okay, and it's natural, so it doesn't have any sugar, and you're not going to use any sugar or honey for this recipe. The bananas have enough sugar, so let's start blending. So our bananas are in. Let's put in our Greek yogurt, and if you want this recipe, kindly comment down below. We'll make it together. And if by the way, this is your chance for you not to be buying smoothies again. Yeah, there's no need to spend so much money on smoothies. So after patience, our smoothie is ready. Let's have a taste. Guys, I'm not just pretending because I love bananas, but this is a 10 out of 10. Okay? So hit that subscribe button, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for being here.